Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You already have the project open. Now start changing the button color. First, add a color resource in res/values/colors. XML, name it button primary and paste a hex value. Once done, open the layout file where the button or material button lives. Use design or split view to find the button quickly. You want to work in XML for precision, so switch to the XML editor. Make sure to save the color file before the next step, so Android Studio can resolve the resource immediately. Now apply the color to the actual button. If you use material button, set app background tint to it color/button primary. This respects material theming and ripple effects. For a standard button, use Android background tint or replace Android background with a shape drawable referencing the color. Once you edit XML, save and let Android Studio rebuild the preview. Make sure to use the app namespace if needed. Add XMLNS, app if missing. Rebuilding ensures styles and tints resolve correctly before running the app. Finish by running the app to confirm the change on a real surface because the preview can differ. If the button still shows the old color, check the app theme or style parent. Themes can override background tint. Once you identify an override, update the style or use a drawable shape in res/drawable and set Android background to that drawable. As a troubleshooting tip, inspect runtime logs and enable Layout Inspector. If something overrides the color, the inspector shows the effective attributes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.